Hey friends, it's Kip and Christina and Eliza here. Eliza really wanted to show you something at the start of our video. We have a couple things we're going to show you guys. Let me tag Kip Steenbrook in this video. Yes. We're going to show you 3 things, but Eliza brought something she wants to show you, so you can show them him now.
I have a doggy.
You have a doggy? Can you tell them all about your doggy?
Yeah.
Does he have a tail? You were showing me the tail earlier.
Okay, the tail is for there.
There's a tail. And where does his scent pack go? Do you know where his smell good is? There you go. Can you show them what smell you have in it?
This is a blue one.
It's a blue one?
It's good.
It's good? What does it smell like?
From a blue.
It smells like blue. This one is called Eskimo Kiss. You like that one?
It's good. I'll put in doggy.
You'll put it in the doggy?
Yeah.
Okay.
Mommy's turn.
Mommy's turn? Okay. And then we are going to smell 2 bricks, and then we are going to show you guys something super, super special. So, first of all, we have 5 bricks available right now. We've got Blue Christmas, Christmas Cottage, Cranberry, and Tinsel. And then we have 2 brand new, never before released fragrances in brick right now. A brick is a pound of Scentsy wax, as big as your head. And then we have the 2 new fragrances. We have the Ginger and Spruce.
And purple.
Yep. And Blizzard Berry. So let's smell Ginger and Spruce first and then Blizzard Berry. And then we're going to show you guys the brand new Tannenbaum Express Warmer. Smell it. What does it smell like?
Blue.
It smells like blue.
Okay. Apple. That blue apple.
It smells like I thought it smelled like a old lady's room in a nursing home.
It's definitely all ginger and all spruce.
I don't think it's that bad either.
It's
just
very clean smell.
different.
It smells a lot like a cologne of sorts, maybe, or like an herbally soap.
Yeah, I get the herbally part.
I'm curious to warm it.
I want you.
It doesn't like smell bad though. Like that's the hard thing. It doesn't smell bad. It's just it smells exactly ginger and exactly spruce. Like it's very much if you like or dislike either of those, you'll like or dislike this. It's very ginger, very spruce. Blizzard Berry. Go for it. I need to read the descriptions on those. I'm sorry.
Blizzard Berry. They're not written on here.
This one to me smells like a sweeter Pixie. If anyone remembers Pixie from a few years ago.
Good.
It's good. It's really good. This one's very, very delicious. This one's very strong.
Like it.
Very sweet, but not in like a fake sweet way. It's like, it smells a lot like Pixie, but very, it's very more berry. A lot more berry to it. I like that one a lot, actually. I'm excited to actually try that one and warm it. It's very good. Now we have this beast. So this is the Tannenbaum Express Warmer. I don't even think I can get the whole thing. What is this one, Eliza?
Doggy signer.
Oh, yeah? I don't think I can even get this whole thing in this shot. So I'm very excited to open this for you guys. Let me get a cord. Do we have an extension cord over here? We might just have to move the camera when we plug it in. Okay, so I am going to have Kip start opening this, and I'm going to try to move the camera back a little bit without being too crazy. Do you think that would work?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm going to try to move the camera back a little bit so we can really see the whole thing. Okay, so this is the Tannenbaum Express. I had to move the camera way back so you can actually see this entire warmer. So as you can see, the box had the dish, it had the little train, and it had an actual ornament that is a miniature version of the warmer. It is super, super cute. If anybody remembers our limited edition warmers from years past, they all came with a replica warmer or an associated kind of ornament. So, like the gingerbread house had a gingerbread ma'am. I am real good at the talking today. And the Nutcracker had a little Nutcracker ornament. So I'm really excited to put this ornament on our tree with the others. So these are all numbered. Is it numbered on the bottom?
I don't know.
number 428 of 8,660. So one thing that's really cool about our limited edition holiday warmers, like this one and like our Nutcracker and like the gingerbread house, is they are all numbered and limited edition. So I got number 428 of 860. Really, really cool. This is huge. I'm very excited.
It's huge.
Okay, so this is a very easy warmer to put together though. You just put the dish on the base. This is an element warmer. You just stick the train. I don't know which way you stick it though.
I don't think it matters.
Well, it will, because it'll turn a certain way.
Okay,
we'll find out. And then this will go on as well over it. And so the train will keep coming through this little peaky hole. And then it's got a wind-up music box on it as well. Here is the ornament that it comes with. Super cute. And then you've got your top piece. Let's put that back here. You got your warmer dish. And you've got your train. Doodly dood. This train is super cute. Has actual wheels. It's all held together with a string. Very cute. So, put that back on there. So you do not have to plug the warmer in order for the music box and the train to work. The warmer only has to be plugged in to melt wax. Okay, and I'll just turn this so you can see it. There you guys go. Do you like it, Eliza?
Yeah. You see the choo-choo going through it?
I dropped it.
Mm-hmm.
Do you see it? I wonder if you can turn it so she can actually see it. Look, watch the train.
Oh, they come in there.
It's coming. Do you like it?
They hide under there.
He hides back in there. See, is he coming again?
Here he comes.
They're funny.
He's funny. You like him?
They're back in there.
Yeah.
All right. So, friends,
Mom.
that is the Tannenbaum Express warmer. It is limited edition. Like I said, there's just under 9,000 of those made. If you want one, go get one. We also have our limited edition bricks. We smelled those. We got Blizzard Berry and Ginger and Spruce. These are also limited edition, along with the 3 Christmas Cottage, Blue Christmas, and Cranberry and Tinsel are all available too. Again, limited quantities, so when they sell out, they're gone. And then the same with Homer the Husky. Will you show them your puppy again? There he is. He is also brand new, and he's limited edition too. So if any of these are something you think you need, let us know as soon as you know it. Bye, guys.